Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Cybrosys. In this video, we are going to understand one of the most important concepts in Odoo manufacturing, the bill of materials, commonly called as BOM. So if you want Odoo to know what components are required to manufacture a product, the BOM is where the information is defined. Let's see how it works in Odoo community. For that, you have to open the community. I've already opened it. And then y'all know where to find the BOM. Okay, so if not, it's in the manufacturing modules. I've already opened the manufacturing. Okay, and think of a BOM BOM as a recipe for manufacturing. Okay, so if you are making a cake, you will have the recipe list where you have the flour, the sugar, the eggs, and all such things. So a BOM lists all the raw materials and quantities which is required to produce a finished product. So be it a table, in case you are creating a table, obviously you will need wood, the screw, bolt and all such things. So these things comes as the recipe along with how much quantity of each, products are required as well. So in Odoo, sorry, the BOM tells the manufacturing module what to consume, how much to consume and what product will be produced. So I have already opened the manufacturing. Inside the products, you can see the BOM, which is the bill of materials. I've opened it. And this is actually a list of the previously created or configured BOMs. Okay, so you have a lot, like for the desk combination, for tabletop, you have drawer, you have the table kits, the office lamp, and all such things. So here you'll actually find the existing or already created BOMs. Okay, so here you have the product name. I'll simply open one. You have the desk combination. Okay, you have the product name over here. Okay, so the product name over here is desk combination. So you can change it to anything. The product variant can be specified. Then comes the BOM type. Okay, so let's create a new one. Okay, before creating a new one, we need a product that we want to manufacture. So I'll simply create a sample product which is called a wooden table. So let's go to the products here and I'm going to create a product. So the name of my product is, let's click over here. So these are all the products. Okay, I'll simply add the name of the product as wooden table. That's the product. And the product type, it should be a goods product. Like it should be a storable products, where storable products comes under the type goods. Okay, and it can be sold, it's enabled. Okay, it can be purchased, that is also enabled. These are the basic things that you have to configure, and you are tracking it by quantity. You can change it to unique serial number or lots, whatever, it's up to you. So let it be by quantity itself, and here you can actually configure the sales price as well. Let it be. Now this is the product which I am going to create a BOM for. So I've already saved it. Okay, so I'm saving it as a storable product. Now you can open the bill of materials and from there you can create one, or on the top of the product you have a lot of smart buttons where you can find the bill of materials. So from here also you can actually create a BOM for the product, or simply we'll go on to the bill of materials and create one. So clicking on new, and what you have to do is you have to choose the finished product. So this is the product that we are going to manufacture, and then you have to define the quantity, like this particular BOM. Okay, define the quantity that this BOM will produce, like based on this BOM. If you are creating this for 5 units of the product or 1 units of the product, whatever it is, you have to specify it over here. Let it be 5. If this product contains any variance, that can also be measured. Okay, or like any unit is fine. If you only want to generate one, you will be giving the components to produce 1 unit of the product, which is the wooden table. Okay, so I have created one. You have to make sure the BOM type is manufacture this product. So by default inside the manufacturing, it will lie on the manufacture this product. What we call it, it's a radio button. Okay, so you have the company. If you want, you can add any kind of reference, and the next thing is to add the components, which is the recipe. You know what you're going to make, but you need the ingredients to make the product, right? So this is basically the ingredients. Now we can add the raw materials which is required for production. So the very first thing for the wooden table, I'll take the wood planks if it's there, or let's take the wooden panel. For the time being, I'm using some random things, okay? You can change it. So I am taking 5 wooden panels, and then let's add some screw. This is the screw, and I need 20 screws to make this particular product. And if you have any wood polish or paint, no, we have paint. Let's check. I'm just putting it as painting, okay? Let it be. Or just remove it. I'll simply add bolt against the screw. So 20 bolts, 20 screws, and 5 units of the product. So this is the BOM that I have created right now. Okay. Wood panel, 5, 20 screws, and 20 bolts, which are required. Okay. So these quantities are extremely important because Odoo will automatically consume them during the manufacturing. So you have to make sure that all these this much quantity is available for all these products. You have to make sure that. So let's go to the internal link of each of the product and check. Now this is the wooden panel. You have 50 units. We are safe there. And comes the screw. Let's check what the case is. So you can track the inventory from here by quantity, and the on-hand quantity is 0. So that was close. We are going to simply add it into 50. And I'm saving it. So I won't appreciate you all to manually add this. Okay, you can simply buy and then, update it automatically. Then comes the bolt. So you have to make sure there is enough quantity. So the quantity is actually 0 right now. I'll make it into 50. So 50 of all the ingredients or the raw materials are now available, and we are safe to go. So after adding the components, you can save the BOM minus saved. And Odoo now knows exactly which materials are needed whenever we manufacture a wooden table. Okay, so you can create a manufacturing order. I am actually creating one. This is the manufacturing order page. Let's click on new. And you can actually choose the product. Okay, so you can either choose the product or the bill of materials. So let me show you both ways. Now this is the thing, which is wooden table. See, as soon as I've chosen the wooden table, the bill of material has come. Along with that, the components also has come. I didn't type it out manually because it has an existing BOM, and all the raw materials was taken from the BOM. And one more thing, you can see this green label showing available. If your raw materials is not available, if it's available or not available, it will be showing over here so that you can easily manage the crisis. Okay, so you actually don't have to provide everything. Okay, you don't have to enter the raw materials manually. As you have created a BOM, these things get automatically updated. Okay, so it's that simple. It's going to save a lot of your time. So inside the manufacturing order, you can see all the components which are generated from the BOM. And when the production is completed, these quantities will be deducted from inventory automatically, ensuring accurate stock management. So let's check that as well. I have, simply saved it, and then you can actually confirm it. So confirmation is done. We have not produced it yet. Now the quantity. Everything was having 50 each in the individual on hand quantity for each of the raw materials was 50. Now let's see after producing the product what the status of that is. Now if you go to the wooden panel, no, you can't go it from here. Let's go to the products, and whatever. Let's go to the wooden panel. I'm searching for panel here. See, the on-hand quantity is 45 because 5 units of 55 from 50 is taken, which makes it 45. And then what we have, the screw and the bolt, right? No, we don't have to search because we have it right here. The bolt was 20 quantity that we have taken from 50. So balance 30 is there. And finally, we have to search for the screws, right? So if you take the screw also, 30 is what is left right now because we have already taken 20 of them, where we had 50 originally. Okay, so this is how the BOM works easily in Odoo community. And you can manage this particular thing easily simply by using your mobile phone. It's surprising, right? So you don't have to set up all these things in your system. I mean, for us, it's convenient to use this in mobile phone. Like, we are very active in phones right now, and it will be, I mean, it will be really good if we have an application to manage everything in your mobile phone. So the good news is we do have an application for that. So we have introduced, a mobile suite for Odoo, which is called as Mobo, where we have 14 plus apps, which is Odoo apps. And one more interesting thing is that Mobo is open source. So anybody, you can get it from the App Store and Play Store. And from there, you can actually download whichever app you want, use it. So you don't have to carry your laptops and systems everywhere you go. Simply by using your mobile phone, you can access your work. Like, you're carrying your work in your pocket. So please do try it out, and just, I mean, this, we have right now done the BOM creation, right? So try to do this inside that app and let me know how your experience was. Okay. So feel free to comment down below what your experiences was. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can easily manage the BOM. So BOMs are essential because they help Odoo to calculate the raw materials, the component consumptions can be automated, and it has a very accurate, I mean, it helps you to accurate this inventory levels and all such things. So it's basically a recipe for manufacturing which properly provides you the ingredients and the quantity of the ingredients. Okay, that's it. And that's the basic of BOM in Odoo community. In the next video, we'll explore more about the manufacturing or anything. So let's see. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.